I hope you are enjoying my videos. If you have any suggestion for me, please tell me in the comment section. Our today's topic is string. Now string is an inbuilt class in Java. Every string we declare in a Java program is an object of that string class. स्ट्रिंग एक इनबिल्ड क्लास होती है जावा में. जब भी हम हमारे प्रोग्राम में कोई स्ट्रिंग वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर करते हैं तो वो ऑब्जेक्ट होता है उस स्ट्रिंग क्लास का. व्हेन वी डिक्लेयर अ स्ट्रिंग ऑब्जेक्ट, आवर स्ट्रिंग इंटरनली स्टोर्स इन अ कैरेक्टर अरे. जब भी हम कोई स्ट्रिंग वेरिएबल या स्ट्रिंग ऑब्जेक्ट को डिक्लेयर करते हैं तो इंटरनली हमारी जो भी स्ट्रिंग है वो एक कैरेक्टर अरे में स्टोर होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, if we declare a string object and initialize it with learner's channel, internally it is stored in a character array like this. For performing operations on our string, Java provides some inbuilt methods in string class. For make our task easy, we can use them easily. Let's discuss some methods in this video. Our first method is length. This method returns length of our string. This method includes characters present in the string and the blank spaces. Our second method is toUpperCase. This method converts our string into uppercase letters. Third method is toLowerCase. This method converts our string into lowercase letters. Fourth is concate. This method concate or merge two strings and return combined string. Fifth method is char@. This method returns a particular character present at some index number. As we discussed previous, string internally stored in a character array. So this method returns the character present at the given index number. Sixth method is empty. This method checks whether the given string is empty or not. This method returns Boolean value, means true or false. If the given string has no character or zero character, this method returns true. Or the given string has some characters, then this method returns false. We discuss some other method in our next video. Thank you for watching.